All right, guys, we're doing our last box of 2021 Gold Rush Premier Players Multi-Sport. You've got 2 cards per box, a mix of graded rookie cards. You got autos. You've got low-numbered parallels, 1-of-1 memorabilia cards. Really, really cool stuff. So let's see what we can pull out of break number 4. So it's going to be a random last name letter break. Excuse me. So every spot will give you 2 random last name letters. So Donnie's got 1 spot in this. Tony's got 1. Roger, you've got 5. Chris W with 1. Or Roger, you got 6 actually. So let's do that again. Donnie's got 1. Tony's got 1. Chris W with 1. Aaron with 1. And then Roger's got 6. So Roger is due faux show. Alright, so there are your spots. Let's go ahead and randomize the teams in this one. Alright, so random.org is giving me a bad gateway. What are you doing? Come on, man. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's go ahead and randomize the last name letters. And again, this is first letter of the last name for this one, not the first letter of the first name. Oh my gosh, you piece of crap. Random.org is going to mess us up. Alright, so there's 1. Hopefully we won't run into this every time. Oh my gosh. Alright, hang on a second. Yeah, it may be. Oh, come on. Alright, so we may have to do it this way, which is going to take freaking forever. So it did randomize it twice. Every time I hit again, I get a bad gateway. Good Lord. And you just have to wait for it to reset. This is going to be the longest random ever. Alright, let's see if I have any better luck with Chrome. Alright, we're further along on this. So there's 3. Alright, there's 4. We almost got the names randomed. Better off going and watching paint dry. Yeah, no kidding. It's not raining outside right now, so I don't know what's going on. Alright, so we got the letters randomized. Let's take another 10 minutes and randomize these 5. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we'll randomize this 5 times, hopefully. Dude, it's just this website, which is what's weird. Alright, there's 2. We're so close. What blows is we got to use this again for our giveaway. Been using this thing all night and it just now got funky. We're up to 3. 2 more. There's 4. Come on. I know. This is ridiculous. All right, there's 5. Dude, did I just screw this up? You stupid idiot. Oh my gosh. Here, we'll just keep it like this. Unless you guys want to wait another 10 minutes to do the random. So here are your letters. Aram's got V and N. Chris, you've got R and P. Donnie with L and K. Roger, you've got D, C, E, A, G, F, Y, M, J, S, T, and H. And then Tony, you've got B and W. All right. Everybody cool on that? So there are your letters, finally. We're at 9 minutes on this video and still haven't even done the break. Alright, so here we go. Let's see if we can finish strong on this product here. Alright, card number 1. Oh, here we go. Nice one. How about an Aaron Judge? Topps Tier 1, number to 25. So last name J. Roger, there you go, man. Nice hit there. That is from 2020. Topps Tier 1. All right, one more here. All right, how about a flash of greatness, Tua? Roger, this one's coming to you too, man. That is from Leaf Flash, and nice low number 3 out of 10. Nice hit. So that's Leaf Best of Football is where that one came out of. So Roger with the clean sweep. Aaron Judge, Tua. 2 nice hits there. So congratulations, man. We'll get those cards in the mail to you tomorrow. And appreciate you guys helping us fill up the Gold Rush Premier Players break number 4.